Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to connect your Phantom wallet to Tapswap. Steps to connect your Phantom wallet to Tapswap bot. So the first step is install Phantom wallet. If you haven't already installed the Phantom wallet, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store or by using this link. Then the second step is connect your wallet to Tapswap bot. First you have to open Tapswap bot. Launch the Tapswap bot on your Telegram app. Tap on the task button at the bottom of the screen. Select Connect Solana Wallet. Then the second step is start the mission. Tap on Start Mission and then select the Go option next to the Solana wallet. After that, connect the Phantom wallet. In the pop-up web view, you will see the option to connect the Phantom wallet. Click on Connect. This will automatically open the Phantom wallet. In the Phantom wallet, tap on Connect. If you are being redirected to the Phantom wallet download page, make sure you are not using the desktop site for your browser. You can confirm this by clicking on the three dots at the top right and unchecking the desktop site option. After that, the fourth step is sign the message. Return to the web view where you initially clicked on Connect. Then select Sign Message. This will open the Phantom wallet again with a pop-up to approve the sign message. After this, tap on Approve. Then the fifth step is verify the connection. For this, go back to the tasks page on the Tapswap bot, select check to verify your wallet connection and select finish mission and tap on claim to receive your rewards. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Phantom wallet to the Tapswap bot and start earning bonus points. Thanks for watching till the next time.